Hey guys, Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com, and I should actually take these things in the sun for you, but it's okay because we're talking about this door really quickly. Now, when spraying, I get this question a lot with candies, okay? When spraying candies, what is the best way to spray candy colors? Now, if you're a total beginner, I would recommend spraying the same color candy over a base, a similar color base. So this is basically a purple base coat on here. This is normal paint base coat clear coat. This side we did a candy purple on top of it. Okay, now this is just a quick project. We did it quick just to show you the difference. So this is what candy looks like, okay, over purple. Okay, we got purple. It's called Burple, actually. It's a House of Kolor Candy. This is just sawdust. Don't mind all this dust here. Let me see. I was kind of cutting something last night, but got kind of dirty in here. The candy went through the paper because I had this masked up so I wouldn't get candy on this part of the door. It kind of bled through the paper and stuck on here. So be careful what kind of paper you use, especially with candy. Usually this doesn't happen with clear coat, but candy, it went right through it. All right, so anyway, this is the candy as well, but take a look at the difference in color here. I should take this out in the sun to show you, but it's the easiest way to lay candy because you're not making, you can't really make a mistake because you have to make sure you have a tight overlap, 75% overlap. Okay, so if you're doing red candy, I would recommend going over a red base coat. Start out like that, then you can go to silver base coats. So if you take a look at this, it's actually a lighter purple because this is all over silver. So we actually had silver first and then we did the purple candy on top. So this is with a silver base coat underneath. This is what the candy looks like. It's a lot lighter than that. If you can see, that looks dark. Okay, this is a lot lighter, and this wasn't buffed or anything yet. I mean, we could buff it. I think the gloss is nice enough. I don't think we have to buff this. Okay, so this is just a little tank lamp project that I was playing with. Here as well, this is just a black. So we just did a black mold over here. I welded a washer in here and made a lamp out of this. This is something that I've been doing for a long time, making them for family members and whatnot. I don't think it's worth for me to make them and sell them because, you know, I put a lot of time and heart into these things. So anyway, this is a candy lime over silver base. Okay, so this is silver base under here. This is candy gold lime over. I did like a fade, playing around with a fade here, and then on this side I did like some sort of tire graphic on the top here with the silver. Pretty cool. Okay, I should actually take these in the sun. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn to a clip. We'll check these things out in the sun. Here is a Oriental Purple. Oriental Purple. It's called Oriental Blue. My mistake. And this one my daughter wants, and this is all scratched up because the gas cap actually goes on here, and then the scissor lamp connects to the gas cap. I have it all set up. I just haven't put it in yet. Because I screwed up on this one. This is a tricky tank because I was wetting it and soaking it so much. You can see the little run here, but I'm going to show you how to take these little runs out. So I got one run there, and I got a couple over here. If you see. Right, like runny. You know, people are afraid, hey, Tony, you're going to be afraid of running it? Actually, not really. I don't mind running because, when you're laying the clear coat, sometimes you just want to flow it and lay it on, and I just kept on flowing it on, and I knew it was going to kind of run maybe, but I was feeling kind of good, and then, yeah, I did get a run. But these, we're going to show you how to sand them out, and then... All right, so let's take a look at these beauties now. I don't know if the video is going to do any justice here, but this is the Oriental Blue color, and we did put micro sequence flake from X Finishes on all of these tanks here because I just think candy looks so much better when you put flake in it. So this is the lime gold candy with the little graphic here. Okay, the graphic is cleared over, and there's a little bit of micro sequence flake in the whole thing. A little less on this band versus the rest, if you can see. Okay, and this is just plain black. I wanted to keep the original Harley design here, and I needed to mold this and do some body work here, so we just based the top after I masked this up, and then we cleared the whole thing. And I have all of this on step-by-step video as well. This is a Burple color. We did a two-tone, and all of these have a silver base coat underneath. So it was actually this color silver underneath here. Same thing here. This is the silver that was underneath whole thing, and then this is also silver underneath. So that's what these guys look like. And then here's the other side. There's a different style of a fade. Signed my name there. Looks pretty cool. And this one I put a lot of flake in, if you can see. Okay, so this is the Burple over, okay, the silver base, right? And this is a purple base coat, and then the Burple over it. So you can see how much darker it is. And there's a lot of flake in here as well, like a ton of flake. Ton of flake. Okay, but you can see how dark this purple is versus this. It's different. It's different. That has a lot deeper purple to it because we went over a purple base coat. This candy, we went over the silver base coat. So that's the difference, and that's what I wanted to show you. Here, I was playing around with some pinstriping. I'm going to take this off and redo it a little bit better. I ordered the chrome emblems here. What was it? Honda Shadow chrome emblems there. This one, like I said, I'm still going to do a little bit of tweaking to it, and this is going to be a lamp as well for my daughter. She wants the blue one. So that's pretty much it, guys. Giving you guys some inspiration. Tell me what you think. Comment down below, and don't worry because I have step-by-step videos on all of this. It's all like waiting to be rendered, and all of this is going to be uploaded to VIP for you guys as well. But these came out nice. Now if you want to go the extra mile and make it even crazier, I mean the gloss on this came out fantastic. I mean we don't have to buff it, but if you want to go the extra mile, you can basically cut this down with 800 grit and put 2 more coats of clear coat on it, basically flow coat it. You can do it to all of these, but I'm not going to. The only one I'm going to clear again is this one here because I have to sand it down, do my white graphic, however I'm going to do it, and then put 2 coats of clear on it. So that's the plan for that one. Anyway, just wanted to give you this quick little video. If you're brand new to the channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment below. Let me know what you think of these awesome little projects here. And again, you can change out the shade to whatever you want to do. This is just, you know, I had this laying around, so I made this, you know, with that. I like that one. That's a nice, cute little lamp right there. This one's super cool as well. And then you could also, I set it to where you can also have it the other way. Like you could move it this way if you want to rock it this way. Like that. It all depends what you want to do. Right, and then this is going to be a scissor lamp. I have the parts over there, so I'll show you this when it's done as well. Anyway, it's Tony here. Thanks for watching the video. All of these are going to be coming up step by step in VIP. I'll also be releasing some of it on YouTube. So anyway, like, share, subscribe. Click the top right over here to get a free 85-page auto body and paint manual, or down below to check out some links. Talk to you soon. Bye.